Hey friends, what's up? Welcome back to the Chaos. Today we're playing a new game called Train Station Project. I'm saying new because it's a demo on Steam right now. Let's go, we're gonna try it out. So we're gonna hate new game.
Or radical budget cuts. A, avoidable safety measures. I mean internal downsizing. L.
Yo, I just wanted to say real quickly, I'm not sure what's going on with the audio, like the game audio. I also had a problem with this in the episode where me and Gulak did the Hunters versus Speedrunner episode. I'm going to try to fix it in the next episode if you guys like it, of course. But yeah, I would try to fix it. But anyways, let's continue with the video.
We'll figure that one out later.
Rail end.
Anyway, that was the last slide.
Yeah, why does he look like Mayor in Thomas the Tank Ship? So to exit, fix the station, got it. Could I maybe get a quick summary?
Sell the tickets, fix the station.
I get it.
That's all you got from my carefully crafted, data-driven, cost-cutting masterpiece? Luckily for you, I've got one more presentation with pictures.
Your station name. What should we call it? Fjotten. You know what? Let's take an old nostalgic Norwegian station name. Let's call it Sesam Station. There we go. Sesam Station. Sign here. I can jump. Okay. What? Dumpster? Can I live in a dumpster? No. Okay, I can't. Sesam Station. Yes. It does. It does. It says it.
Looks like the main doors are dead.
Alright, let's do here. Okay. Okay, here's the door.
Looks like there's no power. There should be a circuit breaker in the building.
Garbage. Okay, I can throw it. Okay, damage poster. There should be a power somewhere. Okay, there's the power. Power switch. Okay.
Power's back on. Time to check the front and back doors.
Okay, check the front doors. Okay, so we need to screw this out. Okay. Like this. Switch up this. And that. There we go. Device fixed. Okay, nice. Then we need to fix it on the other side as well. Screw that. Alright, then it's fixed.
Alright, now we can finally take out the trash. Let's find a bucket.
Buckety bucket. Do you mean like the garbage can? So there's one over here. Okay. There's one over there. So do you need to take all the trash? Okay, that's way better. Okay. Okay, let's do this. I can just do like that. Okay, that's better. Okay, can we do like that? Okay, then we have to put it in the middle. Okay, we have to put it like that. Okay. Upgrade, yay. That's good. Now we have a restroom. Alright, so we're gonna check if the bathroom are... Wait, wow, yes. What was I supposed to do now? Mop, check clean.
Okay, it's time to mop the floor.
3, no wait. Q. Okay, let's mop everything. There we go, yes. Alright, buy a warehouse. Okay, buy a warehouse. Which we bought that warehouse, okay. Other products, print rules. Open the doors, take the boxes, close the doors, close these doors.
I should look for the wrench. I will need to put the sign above the front door.
Okay, the wrench is over here somewhere. Not this wrench.
Everything's ready, so I think I can open the
No,
station.
not yet. You need to take the trash before you can open the station. Interact button. Open for business. Let's go, okay. Hi, I'm Banana, your guide on this window. You need to choose a ticket type. Okay. hello, I need one way to be with a worker discount. One way worker discount next. Okay. Print. There you go. One way. Okay, with a student to ticket to region B. Next student. Next print. There you go. I need one ticket to regular. Okay.
Let's see if I made any money in the restrooms.
Okay, let's check that. $70. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Renovation time. All right. So, oh, I got a baton. I can have a baton. Ooh, TV. I can play games. Ooh. Ooh. It's just like a Flappy Bird. This is like Flappy Bird. One way to read a discount worker. One way to region B with a student discount. Student discount.
No, I'm not.
You say? What the you say that? Two-way to region B.
Awesome.
She said that. 6. Operating system. What the is this? Okay. Options stores. Okay. One way. Region A. No, region B. Sorry, sir. Print. Two-way. Region A with a worker discount. There we go. Two-way. Region B.
Awesome.
No problem. Okay, so now let's go to the store. Hello. Okay. Please give one way originate with a worker discount. There you go. Okay. Hello. One ticket. To read one way ticket. Written a worker. One way written B. With a worker discount. Print. Here you go. One way written a worker discount. Okay. Hey, I like to buy one ticket. Renee. Written a student and a extra bag. There you go.
That was smooth.
Okay. There we go. Store. Buy that one.
Looks like it's gonna rain.
Should put that like right there. Right there. Right there. And we put one over here. Oh, the phone's ringing. Okay.
What the hell kind of operation are you running over there? You even know what's going on around you? I just got word that someone set up a market under
What?
your station.
I like to. What do you mean? What do you want me to do? Can I buy something off him? There is a police station across the street.
There's a police station across the street.
Please. Last last time they got off their asses was when someone spray painted ACAB on the
Alright.
wall. Listen carefully. I'm only saying this once. You go to the tool closet, grab the baton, then you go find that little and shut him down. Eyes open. Bastard's probably hiding like a roach.
Okay.
Over and out.
Now I kiss the baton. Yay. Wait, I need to clean this first. Okay, baton.
Come on! You're in luck. Fresh shipment of, well, whatever this is.
Get the hell off my station!
What? Why though? Come on, man! Don't be mad! It's chill!
Alright, if you say so.
What did I do?
So I'm going to leave the episode here. If you like this little episode, please make sure you put a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also remember I stream almost every single day on Twitch/Fjotten. So if you want to check that out, make sure to do that. Link is down in the description. Also join my Discord server. Link is down in the description. And I will see you guys in the next episode. It's always adios, amigos.